All right, you guys. Let's see. Nasdaq trade this morning. All right, I took this off for you guys though. I still got my lines marked up though. I already have my lines like this so you guys can see exactly what I saw this morning. All right, so basically, I always start from the 30-minute. I'm a scalper on the 5-minute, so I start from the 30-minute. You don't gotta start from too high if you're a scalper. You know, you don't have to go all the way to the daily. It can give you a good sense of direction, but it's not highly recommended. You don't really have to always, go that high. So as you can see, I had this line marked up already from like yesterday because I'm like, okay, this is the farthest I'll take this trade from yesterday. This is the farthest I will hold my trade. But I still got either 1 to 3. I didn't think it would make it that far, but it actually did. That's why you hold your trades, guys. You guys don't know what the market doing. You just follow your rules and your risk and reward. But as you can see, we got a huge rejection off of there the past, couple hours. Past couple hours of us sleeping. And then we got a little double top here, as you can see. It's coming down to this trend, rejecting, come up here, reject, came down again, reject it, came up here. And as you can see, this is a trend line right here. It's starting to form a trend. It's already marked right here. So we got the trend line, we got the double top. We got this huge, so if you look at this on the hourly, it'd probably be less choppier. So we got a nice break, retest. Then we got a bearish engulfing candle. So this is just signs on an hourly right now. So we see that it's in a bearish market. It's rejecting. It's not trying to go back to. It's not going back bullish right now. One reject, double top. So we came down here. We got this. We got the double top with the and we're still on the hourly right now, guys. This is at the start of the trade, you guys. This is at the start. This is what you want to do at the start of the trade. So now we're on the hourly. We got the double top. Now we're getting breakage, and then we had this engulfing candle close right here. This would have been my sign. Like, okay, this is at 9 o'clock too. This is before market even open. I don't trade to 9:30. This is before market even open. So this would have been a great candle to say, okay, we're gonna continue down today. So boom, go over to the 30. You want to see basically what the market is doing on a higher time frame. All right, so basically, now that we see the market is headed bullish, we see the break and retest. We're having more signs that the market is going to drop because it's all about the signs of the overall confluences. How many could you get? How many could you put together so it gives you more confidence to hold your trade? That's why most people can't hold their trade. They don't have that many confluences. They're rushing trades, so they're pulling out too early, or their stop loss is getting destroyed fast. They're getting faked out. They're impatient. You guys don't want to be like that. Wait for your setups, you guys. You guys know what the market. I don't know why you guys punish yourself. You guys know what to do, guys. You're getting hungry. Just stop that feeling, you guys. When you feel you're chasing money too much, bro, don't try to hustle. This is a slow game right here, guys. It took me like a year, 2 years to pass my first 5K funded account. It was only 5K too. Like, it took that long. All right, so boom. Right here, I like to trade on the 15-minute. As you can see, the candles look way smoother. If you go to the 5-minute, probably still looks smooth. But sometimes, yeah, it still looks smooth. But sometimes if you go to the 5-minute, you got a lot of more retracements. And sometimes those retracements could scare you. So on the 15-minute, when you see the candles looking smooth, it's kind of like, okay. It's just the 15-minute is just overall what the 5-minute is doing, but the 5-minute could start forming things that makes you, So the 15-minute I noticed is just way smoother. You see how it didn't even really create this little. It did with a wick probably on the 15-minute, like right here. Look. But it didn't. It don't really look that bad. So you're like, okay, I could hold. You still don't see green. It's all a mind game. You still don't see green. That's what I like to do. All right, but basically, 9:30 right here. Let's go to 5-minute. We're on the 5-minute. Basically, it's 9:30. Let's see. Okay, 9:30 is right here. This candle right here. I would not have took a trade until this break right here. Because as you see, every time it comes right here, it goes up. So I would have said, okay, I'm going to be patient. This would have been another sign too. We came up, and then we rejected right here. Some people probably bought in right here, like the rush scalpers, but I would have still waited for a breakout up here just because all the rejections right here. Like, it's just you want to see that spot get broke. I don't want to hold my trades right there anyway. I don't want a 1-1. I don't want it. I don't care about a 1-1. It's risk the reward here. All right, so boom. Then we got a nice boom. Once we got this break right here on this candle, I would have literally waited for this candle because now we're below the VWAP and now we're below these EMAs. So that would have been more confluence. With the other confluence I have from the higher time frames already that were trending down, we had the break and retest. So I think we'll be continuing down even more. So what I would have liked to do, I would open a short position right here. 25 pip stop loss always. Sometimes I can eye it a little more. I'll eye it a little more. I'll probably go to the 1 minute, see where it's been rejecting at the most, and put it at the top of the 1 minute wick candles. But other than that, right here. So I'm gonna break it down to you guys, like how you guys move your stop loss. Cause you guys, I know you guys. I got it at the one. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Cause look, even at this trend line right here, I would have wanted to close my trade about right here. Like that's just what I would have did. Cause every time. I mean, it's not respected no more, but I obviously have a trend line there for a reason. So you want to watch that spot. So at the 1-to-1, what I would have did is I would have put my stop loss to halfway. So once it hit right here, stop loss halfway. I minimize the risk. Now I can hold my trade a little bit longer. I have a feeling where I can hold it a little bit longer. So 1-to-2, what do? We go break even at that 1-to-2. Zero risk on the play. Zero risk. What are you worried for? You want to win that bad that you can't let your... What are you worried for if your stop loss is at break even? Hold to your TP. I would honestly probably close right here though instead of moving my stop loss to break even. But if I would have moved my stop loss to break even, you know, I'm feeling good for the week. I would have said, okay, hold on, let's put this back up because this is going to throw us off. 25 pips. Boom, 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 boom. I would have said, okay, let's hold the 1-to-3. You would have got that 1-to-3 too, one candle. 1-to-3, one candle. I would have closed my trade at this 1-to-3. Like I would have put my stop loss. Sometimes I'll put my stop loss right here. Like I'll just put it at the 1-to-3 because you never know, bro. This shit can keep going. So I'll put my stop loss at the 1-to-3. Some people they close 70% of their trade, put their stop loss to TP1. You can close 70% of your trade, depending on how you want to do it. It's totally up to you guys. You guys, this is something you guys want to figure out and learn. But the best bet is as long as you're moving your stop loss and you're minimizing your L's as much as possible. So boom, that's that. This thing absolutely tanked to a 1-to-8. Yeah, I would have. Yeah, so if you would have put your stop loss at that 1-to-1 right there, and when you hit the TP3 and once you close 70%. Yeah, you would have got a shit ton of more pips, especially after this drop right here, because this shit went straight down. I was not in there. I was out, like I said before. I put my stop loss once it hit the 1-to-3. I just put my stop loss to this right here. I just put my phone down. I put my phone down. I go away. If it does what it does, if it stops me out, it stops me out. I'm happy. This is a 1-to-3 in fucking 5 minutes. I have it also written right here. So I can watch this every morning. You guys want to program your brain, bro. Like, literally. Watch that, you guys. Literally. Just watch it. Anyways, though, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy. If you guys have any other questions, hold on. I honestly want to see what US 30 did right now. Real fast, though. Yeah, US 30 looks shit compared to NASDAQ. That shit looks shit. Got the same overall, though, candle right here on that drop. Kind of got... This 930. So if you would have took this, not a bad sell. I would have probably this is not a bad sell if you were like, okay. This is the only reason this is not a bad sell because this candle closed below. If this candle would have closed above here, nah, you don't want to take. But this candle closed below, so that was good signs. If you would have took this trade and you move your stop losses pretty fast, you can take a trade like that. But if not, you guys will get destroyed if you don't move your stop loss fast. So 30 pips. Say on that momentum we got in 1-to-1, we would have moved our stop loss 1-to-2, break even. So once it reversed here and hit that, you would have been good. You just got in again. You would have caught all the pips you need. It's that simple. It's that simple, you guys. It's that simple. That's how you move your stop loss. If you guys have any other questions, just hit me up, man. Signing out. Let's go.